Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread with unripe bananas. Using green bananas directly can result in a less sweet and drier loaf. We'll explore simple methods to transform them into perfect baking candidates. You'll learn quick ripening tricks and essential recipe adjustments. Get ready to bake a delicious, moist banana bread, even when your bananas aren't perfectly spotted. It's easier than you think to achieve a fantastic result. To quickly ripen your bananas, try baking them. Place whole, unpeeled bananas on a baking sheet and bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Their skins will turn black, but the insides will be soft and sweet. Another option is to put them in a paper bag with an apple for 1 or 2 days. For immediate use, microwave peeled bananas for 30 to 60 seconds until soft. These methods ensure your bananas are ready for baking. When using less ripe bananas, a few recipe adjustments make a big difference. First, add an extra 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to compensate for the reduced natural sweetness. To ensure a moist loaf, incorporate 1/4 cup of applesauce or plain yogurt into your batter. This adds essential moisture without altering the flavor profile too much. Finally, boost the banana essence by adding a 1/2 teaspoon more vanilla extract. These small changes yield a perfectly balanced bread. Now for the baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour your batter into a greased loaf pan and bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. Cooling completely before slicing ensures a firm, delicious texture. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly moist banana bread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.